C++ programming language. Programming. Programming is the process of telling a computer what to do. Think of it like giving instructions to a robot. Just like how you would need to give the robot a set of instructions to follow in order for it to complete a task, you need to give a computer instructions in order for it to perform a task. Language. These instructions are written using a special language called a programming language. Just like how different countries have their own languages, there are many different programming languages that people use to give instructions to computers. When you write a program, you are essentially writing a set of instructions that a computer will follow in order to accomplish a specific task. This can be anything from adding two numbers together, to creating a website, to building a video game. The process of programming involves several steps, including understanding the problem you are trying to solve, designing a solution, writing the code, testing the code to make sure it works properly, and then maintaining the code over time. Coding. Coding is the process of writing instructions for a computer to follow in order to perform specific tasks or functions. In simpler terms, it's like giving a set of step-by-step directions to a computer to accomplish a certain task. These instructions are written using a specific programming language, and can be used to create websites, apps, software, and more. Coding requires a lot of problem-solving skills and attention to detail, as even a small mistake in the instructions can cause errors in the program. However, once you learn how to code, it can be a powerful tool for creating all sorts of things and making your ideas come to life in the digital world.